In this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually create a profitable Clickbank campaign in less than 15 minutes. You don't want to miss this one, guys. We're starting right now. All right, guys, before we jump right into this video, if this is your very first time here on the channel, welcome. My name is John McNeil, and on this channel, we teach you all about affiliate marketing and making money from home. So if this is your first time here, make sure you subscribe to the channel and click the notifications so you don't miss any of my future videos. Now, guys, let's going to jump right into this video. I'm actually going to be showing you how you can actually set up a profitable Clickbank campaign in less than 15 minutes. Now, first, we're going to go through the 4 steps, the 4 things that you need to know in order to create a profitable campaign. And let's go ahead and jump right into it. So step number 1 is you have to pick a profitable niche. Step number 2 is you have to pick a high converting product within that niche. And step number 3, you got to create a sales funnel. And step number 4, you have to have some follow-up messages, right? Because a lot of times people won't buy the first time they actually see a offer. They need to see it multiple times and be followed up with. And that's where email marketing and copywriting comes into place. And this is where a lot of the actual money is typically made in the follow-up series. Now, that sounds like a lot, picking a profitable niche, picking a high converting product, creating a sales funnel, follow-up messages. There's a lot that comes in with creating this whole 4-step process that I just laid out for you guys. But again, like I said in this video, I'm actually going to show you how you can create all of this, all of it within 15 minutes, and actually it'll probably be a lot less than 15 minutes. So let's go ahead and jump over to Clickbank, and we're going to show you a couple things there, and then I'm going to show you exactly how you can actually have all of this done for you in less than 15 minutes. Let's go ahead and jump over to Clickbank now. All right, guys, so we're over here at the Clickbank Marketplace, and as you can see here on the left-hand side, you have a ton of different categories. Now, that first step, we talked about picking a profitable niche. So if you were brand new, you would be sorting and sifting through all of these categories, trying to figure out what is the most profitable niche. But again, I'm going to show you guys a way that you can actually figure that out much sooner. Again, if I was to click on any one of these categories, you have to sift and sort to figure out what is the high converting product. Most individuals would sort by gravity, and that will pull up the most high converting products. And then you would need to go ahead and review those websites, look at all the JV affiliate pages, do your due diligence. Sometimes you may even want to purchase the product, whatever the case may be, but you want to figure out if the product is a high converting product. So in step 3, you're going to have to create a sales funnel. And obviously you're not going to be able to direct link these products and actually make a ton of money. So you're going to have to be, capturing some emails, pulling them through a sales funnel process and following up with them. So you're going to need something like ClickFunnels, lead pages, Builderall, or maybe you even have a self-hosted option. But a lot of things go into creating a squeeze page that is going to convert. You got to have a good headline, you got to have good messaging, you got to have good graphics, you got to have good colors, all these different components that can actually deter you from actually making the sale. So there's a lot of things that come into place, a lot of different components that can actually help you increase the sale, or some of those factors can help you not make any money at all. And then finally, like I said, you have to follow up with these leads. The fortune is definitely in the follow-ups. If you're not following up with your leads, you're definitely not going to make any substantial money. So again, there's a lot that goes into it, from picking the proper niche, picking the proper high converting product, setting up a sales funnel, setting up your email marketing campaigns, the right copy, the right subject line, getting those people to open and click those emails to increase your probability of actually making sales. So that was a lot of information that I just shared with you. And obviously you can go at this yourself and try to figure out all the steps and get everything working and converting by yourself. But what I want to do is give you guys a quick shortcut, and I want to show you how you can do all those 4 steps steps in less than 15 minutes. So now I want to show you guys a program called 12-Minute Affiliate, right? So, and the reason why they call it 12-Minute Affiliate is because it takes you about 12 minutes to actually set up their affiliate campaigns. It actually takes a lot less than 12 minutes, but I guess they gave some buffer time in there. So basically, when we went through, we talked about picking some of the most profitable niches, right? And going through those different categories within Clickbank. Well, in 12-Minute Affiliate, it actually gives you 3 of the top niches that are in Clickbank that you can actually make a lot of money in currently. So you have the home business niche, you have the weight loss niche, and then you have the personal development niche. So these are the 3 different niches that 12-Minute Affiliate actually gives to you. So the next step was to actually find high converting products. So you can actually go through Clickbank yourself and find high converting products, or you can actually just click on here in 12-Minute Affiliate. It has top affiliate products, and it actually gives you a list of products that are converting right now in Clickbank. Some of these products I'm sure are going to look familiar to you. This is one of the products in the Make Money Online niche, John Crestani's Super Affiliate System, Traffic Ivy. Here in the weight loss niche, they have the Fat Disseminator System, Lean Belly Breakthrough, Fat Shredder Kickboxing. Some of these products should look actually familiar to you guys if you've been going through Clickbank and looking for high converting products. And even in the personal development niche, you got products like Manifestation Magic, the Wealth Compass, the Manifestation Millionaire. These are all different products that are selling right now on Clickbank. So you can actually go to Clickbank and find some of those high converting products yourself, or you can actually just click on top affiliate products and pull the affiliate products out for yourself. So the third step was actually creating a sales funnel. Now we talked about going over the ClickFunnels or Build-A-Raw, or just creating your own sales funnel and having to deal with high converting headlines and colors and graphics and getting everything perfect so that that squeeze page is high converting. So you can go ahead and do that, or I can just go into 12-Minute Affiliate and I can click on Home Business Niche if I want to promote products within that. And then I can just click on Instant Funnels. You can actually create some custom funnels, but I just hit on Instant Funnels because I want to, get my products out there and I want to be able to market them very quickly. So what you can see here is you have multiple sales funnels here, right? Multiple sales funnels that you can actually start marketing the different products on Clickbank that you want to promote. You see, what you can actually do when you get your system set up for you is you can actually input multiple different Clickbank offers, multiple different Clickbank products that you want to promote, and you input it into the system, and it'll actually start to build your list, because it's actually going to build your list because you have a high converting squeeze page here, and then it will actually start promoting all of those different products that you want to promote within your system. So this won't just promote one single product, it can promote multiple Clickbank products or even other Make Money Online products that you want to promote. So whether it's JV Zoo or Warrior Plus or any other business opportunity out there, you can actually promote through this system, and it's all automated. So you can see here, again, there's tons of different squeeze pages and little bridge pages, and then you can actually send them directly to your actual Clickbank offer. Here we are, we're gonna take a look at the instant funnels for the weight loss niche. And I mean, look at these beautiful squeeze pages, guys. I mean, high quality squeeze pages. I can literally jump into the weight loss niche and start selling the Lean Belly Breakthrough product, right? And sell any of those other products as well. Let's check out personal development. Again, multiple funnels that are already created for you, ready to promote within that particular niche. You got the products that are already high converting. You can grab the products that you want. You can customize it however you want, and then you can actually start promoting your actual system. So the final step was actually to follow up with your leads and subscribers. And we talked about how the follow-up was so important and that the fortune is actually in the follow-up. So what you have to do is you have to continually be following up with your leads and your prospects. But a lot of you are going to say, well, I don't know how to write emails. I can't get people to open my emails. They won't click. Email marketing is a little bit of a skill set, but with 12-Minute Affiliate, you're actually given all the actual follow-up messages for all the different niches. So your home-based niche, for your weight loss niche and your personal development niche, you're given multiple follow-ups. Right here, I'm in my Aweber account and I have this set for the home base niche. And I'm telling you guys, look at this, guys. We have about 10 weeks. I'm scrolling. We have about 10 weeks of follow-up messages, guys. So all those products that I decided to promote within my system, the system lets you promote about 10 different products, right? So all of those products, I have follow-up messages, right? Automated follow-up messages that are going to go out every single day, reinforcing the value and why they should actually buy those actual products. Now, a cool thing that you would probably want to do, and probably what I will actually do with this system, is while I'm promoting and using these follow-ups, I'll actually probably insert some of my own videos, some of my own content to just give the people a little bit more of me and brand myself while promoting these different products and services. So that's another good tip that I would want to share with you guys. If you're going to go ahead and do this, I would actually insert some good content, maybe give them some ebooks, maybe some valuable training or something like that, to just go ahead and continue to give value as you're taking them through the selling process and taking them through these value-based emails. So I bet a few of you are actually thinking to myself, okay, John, that's all great. I can get all these instant funnels. I can promote all these different products. I can have all the follow-up messages that I need, but how do I actually get traffic to all these websites, right? How do I get traffic to my instant funnels? So again, I'm going to answer your question really quick. Here in 12-Minute Affiliate, they actually have a done for you traffic section. So you actually just click on done for you traffic and you go down here and there's this big green and white button that says get traffic. You actually press that button and you can actually choose the traffic that you want. So you can click on home business, and then you can actually click on how many visitors you actually want to go to your site. It's as easy as that. Traffic on demand. Okay, John. It all sounds great. You get profitable niches, you get profitable Clickbank products, you get instant sales funnels, you get all the follow-up messages. I can get traffic on demand. But what if I have other questions? What if I still need help? What if I still need assistance? So with 12-Minute Affiliate, you're going to get a ton of support. So obviously with 12-Minute Affiliate, you're going to have a Facebook group. They're very active in the Facebook group. There's also live weekly coaching and training that happens with 12-Minute Affiliate. So the owner of 12-Minute Affiliate gets on every week and they do live training and they record those trainings and send it out to the group. And they also have real live customer support. Now, hear me when I say this, guys. Typically, when you have a system, you may have questions, you may not understand something, and you have to put in a support ticket. And typically days later, you may get a response back and they may not quite answer your question. You still may be confused or overwhelmed about what you're supposed to do next. With this system, with 12-Minute Affiliate, I can literally pick up my phone. I can pick up my phone and call their office and speak to somebody. Like, I can call their office and say, hello, I need some help, and they'll pick up the phone. It's nuts. So again, they literally give you all the support that you need. If you have any questions, if you have anything that is overwhelming you, you literally just pick up the phone and call them and they'll walk you directly through everything. All right, guys. So I hope that you got some value from this video, and I hope that you got a ton of value from looking at what 12-Minute Affiliate can offer to you. Again, if you want to check this system out, I will actually have a link in the description in this video so that you can actually check out 12-Minute Affiliate for yourself. They actually do have a 14-day trial period. If you just want to get in there and take a look to see if this is something that can help you, you can go ahead and take a trial of this actual product. So this is John from johnmcneil.com. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that like button and then make sure you subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, trying to bring you more value and bring you more ways to put dinero in your pocket. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.